If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Bitstamp, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from Bitstamp. They may have sent you instructions or requests for additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Review your submitted documents. Log into your Bitstamp account and review the documents you have submitted. Ensure they meet the requirements specified by Bitstamp, such as being clear and legible. Step 3. Submit additional information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use the SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your verification is still pending after following the previous steps, reach out to Bitstamp's customer support. Provide them with your account details and ask for an update on your verification status. Step 5. Be patient. After submitting any additional information or contacting support, be patient. Verification processes can take time, so allow a few days for Bitstamp to review your submission and update your status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Bitstamp. If problems persist, continue to communicate with their support team for further assistance.